douchebags! It's been raining for 2 days here. My bike got all dirty and muddy, so I'll be cleaning up my bike right now since the sun already came up. So this is how I clean my bike. Shit. Alright, so I've got my water and soap ready. Got small sponge right here, and my dog Badu. Oh, not my dog, my cousin's dog. Badu will be watching me. Badu. Right. So, just a quick advice: when you are washing your bike, you too should take a bath. Alright. Is it still recording? Now that it's all soapy and clean, it's time to rinse or wash or vanilla, whatever that is. I sound crazy, do I? I sound crazy, don't I? And never forget to wash yourself also. Alright, it's time to trapo. I'll be using a chamois, whatever that is. And for finishing touches, we have the microfiber cloth. And we're all done. That's how you clean your bike. So I gotta clean myself now, have some soap, whatever, shampoo, whatever, and I'll see you next time. Bye.